The packaging experience is straightforward and functional, without unnecessary embellishment. Inside, the HAYLOU S40 is accompanied by a Type-C 2-in-1 cable that supports both charging and wired audio, a detachable boom microphone, and documentation. The inclusion of a dual-purpose cable is particularly notable. It extends the usability of the headphones beyond standard wireless scenarios, allowing low-latency wired playback and ensuring continuity even when the battery is depleted. The S40 strikes a balance between durability and comfort. The headband structure feels reinforced without becoming rigid, while the ear cups use protein leather cushioning that distributes pressure evenly. Extended sessions remain comfortable, even for users wearing glasses, a detail often neglected in this category. The internal acoustic architecture is built around a dual driver system, enhanced by titanium-coated diaphragms. Weight distribution is well managed, and clamping force is calibrated to maintain isolation without causing fatigue.